Alright, today we are going to learn how to multiply or refresh multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Please open up your notebook and go ahead and write multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers and get ready to take some notes. Here we have 38 times 12. I color-coded our second number so you can see that there's a difference. So, if I start with my ones column and I have 8 times 2, 8 times 2 is 16, so I put my 6 down and I carry my 1. And then I do 3 times 2, because I'm pretending this 1 doesn't exist yet. So 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Once I am done with my ones column, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to grab my pencil and put an X through that 2. And once I put an X through it, I'm also going to X out the 1 up at the top. And I'm going to place a 0 down here. The 0 is a placeholder because now I'm going to be multiplying from my tens spot. So that 0 is necessary. I'm going to switch my color to blue, and now I do 1 times 8 is 8, and 3 times 1 is 3. Once I have everything done like that, I can go ahead and I can add. I have 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. I put my 5 down, I carry my 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So when I think about 38 times 12, my answer is 456. It's a lot of steps, I know. The crossing out in the 0 is just something that I learned when I was younger that helped me with a visual and helped me with my place saver of the 0. So hopefully that helps you. Let's do a couple more examples. Our next example is 27 times 33, and I color-coded it again just so we can see the difference. So I'm going to start with my green, because my green's in my ones place. 7 times 3 is 21, so I put my 1 down and carry my 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus my 2 is 8, so I put my 8 down. Now that I'm done with my ones column, I cross that out, and I cross that out. And I put a 0 as my place saver. Now I switch to my blue color because my other 3 is blue. So 3 times 7 is 21. I just move my other 2 over there. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. Go ahead and add those together. I have 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. So it's 891. I know this sounds like I think it's very easy, but that's because I've been doing it for many years, and you with practice will too get better at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little line right here, and I'm going to have you practice one right next to this screen so you can see what I did over here, okay? So your problem is going to be 32 times 45. Pause this, show me. Go ahead and do this in your notebook. Come back in a few minutes to check it once you're done. And hopefully you rocked this problem. Okay, I'm going to start with my green in my ones place. 2 times 5 is 10, so I put my 0 down and carry my 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16, so I write it down. Then I cross out my 5 and I cross out my additional 1 up there and put a 0 for a place saver. Now I'm working with my blue color or my tens. So 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. Once I have all that, I'm going to draw my line and add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 8 is 14. Put my 4 down and carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So I have 1,440 for my answer. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that correct. Hey, in your notebook, guys, I want you to write these 2 problems down, and I want you to give them a try. Try your best, and try and follow all the steps, because even if you get them incorrect, which you'll find out tomorrow in class, I can then look at it and see where you went wrong, and we can try and help you fix that process. So, take your time and make sure you're trying your best. Once you are done with these 2 problems, I would like you to go ahead on to 3-7 Pearson and take your quiz. Remember, when you're done with your quiz, hit I am done, and then I am able to see your score. Alright, good luck, see you tomorrow.